Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is May 30th, 2025, and we're diving into QQQ, the Nasdaq ETF, analyzing both the latest news and the chart data. Recent headlines paint a mixed picture. We've seen a reinstatement of Trump-era tariffs, creating uncertainty around trade policies and potentially impacting various sectors within the Nasdaq. On the flip side, Nvidia's earnings report provided a boost to the market, especially for tech stocks, which have a significant weighting in QQQ. However, Best Buy cut full-year guidance citing economic uncertainty around tariffs, sending its stock lower. Other news includes the Fed's preferred inflation gauge looming, which will be key data to watch to understand the Federal Reserve's monetary policy plans. Let's get right into analyzing the charts and see how these events are reflected in the price action of QQQ. Looking at the daily chart, we can see QQQ has experienced significant volatility over the past few months. We saw a big drop in April, then rapid recovery, and now a more recent upward trend to above 500 in May before a decline again. Zooming in closer, we can analyze how these key news items have affected QQQ's price action. The reinstatement of Trump's tariffs on May 29th can be seen correlating with the drop in price action. Now, let's look at the 1-hour chart for a more granular view of the recent price movements. On the 1-hour chart, we can better see the consolidation that's taken place recently, and recent trading looks range-bound. We see a support near 517 and resistance near 527. A break below 517 on the hourly could signal a short-term bearish trend. For an even closer look, let's switch to the 15-minute chart. Here on the 15-minute time frame, we see a clearer picture of intraday price swings. We can identify potential scalping opportunities based on short-term support and resistance levels, but these can change rapidly. It's important to note that the 15-minute and hourly charts reflect volatility, and it can be attributed to a variety of news and market factors. In summary, we are seeing the Nasdaq and therefore QQQ caught between conflicting forces, with Trump-era tariffs likely weighing down on sentiment and Nvidia giving it support. Short-term, watch for 517 as the key support level, and be prepared to move short if it gets broken. To the upside, monitor for breaks above 527 and then 530 to signal bullish continuation. Remember that the Fed's inflation data is likely the strongest indication of which direction we may be going, and that will inform the longer term. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. Be sure to like and subscribe for more.